What are the common causes of commercial vehicle accidents? The attorneys at Schiller and Hamilton explain that. Most of the cases involve some type of driver error. That driver error could generally be the result of inadequate or poor training, driver fatigue, or just simple distraction. Drivers in the cab are probably more distracted than they've been in the past due to phones, texting, and GPS. Drivers can also be under a lot of stress. We have an expectation in our society for instant delivery, and drivers are required to deliver loads to certain places at certain times. Sometimes, these expectations are at odds with what the federal government deems as an allowable amount of time behind the wheel. They are required to spend a certain number of hours in the cab or the sleeper versus driving. As a result, we see cases involving falsified driver's logs where drivers were stretched too thin by their employers. Whatever the case may be, oftentimes it comes down to driver error. We also see many cases where a commercial vehicle may fail and cause a collision due to a failure to properly maintain the vehicle. Commercial vehicles are put through rigorous use, and as a result, there is a duty on the owner of the vehicle to ensure that the vehicle is properly maintained. In every commercial vehicle case, we immediately begin demanding maintenance records in order to determine whether a tractor or trailer were properly maintained. Drivers must also be properly trained, and trucking companies are expected to create a culture of safety through their policies and procedures. In addition to the FMCSR, every company has their own set of rules, and it is important that we get as much information as we can regarding these rules and whether the company has taken adequate measures to ensure their vehicles' drivers and vehicles are as safe as possible. Contact Attorney Bennett Schiller in Beaufort, South Carolina at 843-379-5006 or contact Attorney Joel Hamilton in Rock Hill, South Carolina at 803-366-0333. Or visit their website at www.schillerhamilton.com.